Right, I do love a Christmas special blog each year, and I also love a good analogy. So here's my version of study success is like a Christmas tree. Yes, really. So the tree itself, the trunk and the branches, well, that's like having full knowledge and understanding of command words, knowing precisely what all those command words mean, what questions are therefore specifically asking for, and having the skills and the tools to know exactly how to respond to them. Because this is pretty much what everything else hangs on. Now the ornaments, the tinsel, the glittery stuff, this is the subject knowledge. Because remember, without the trunk and the branches of the tree, which is being able to apply that subject knowledge in the way the question requires, then they could have all the knowledge and the ornaments in the world, but they're not going to be able to do much with them. They're just going to stay right in the ornament Christmas box. And then the star on the top. This is QWC, Quality of Written Communication. This is what makes their writing shine bright and stand out. And again, if there's no tree to hold it up high, then it doesn't matter how well they can write if it isn't actually answering what the question's really asking for, or isn't at the right level of response. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did coming up with it. Seriously, this is about as creative as I get, but I made a special effort because it's Christmas. And with that, from me, Katie Price, Great Transformation Expert, I want to wish you and your family a very happy, safe, and fun-filled Christmas with wonderful people and a very pretty and very sturdy Christmas tree. And I want to say a huge thank you for being part of the Rock Solid Study community and letting me into your inbox each week. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you've got a ton of value. Oh, one more thing. I just learned this Christmas joke. I'm not much of a jokes person. What's the first thing elves learn in school? The alphabet. Okay, that's really it now. Merry Christmas.